Do the continuation of thermodynamics chapter, in which we discuss about today mechanical work done in terms of gases. Okay, so this is the structure of a cylinder shaped container with piston, and this black strip is the piston. Okay, and inside of this red dots are indicating the gas particles, and this is the area covered by gas particles. Okay, and this is the height covered by gas particles. So there are certain conditions in this structure while we are studying the mechanical work done in terms of gases. This is the external pressure which is applied from nature, that is called P external, pressure from outside. Okay, so atmospheric pressure is applied on this container, and there are two conditions for that. There is a frictionless piston. Frictionless piston means what? During the compression means when we applied external pressure is much higher, then the gas particle will comes closer to each other. Gas particle will comes closer to each other. Okay, that is called compression. Okay, and what do you mean by expansion? Expansion means when we release the external pressure or reduce the external pressure, then the gas can expand its volume. So frictionless piston means during compression energy is not lose or gain in the form of heat. Frictionless piston means during compression energy is not lose or gain in the form of heat. This is the first condition. Next condition is that during the compression and expansion, do you think the pressure will remain same? No. So that is the second condition. Pressure is not constant at every stage of the compression or expansion. Clear? For derivation